AMC 10B problem 13 and 12B problem 9 of 2023. It says, what is the area of the region in the coordinate plane defined by absolute value of x minus 1 plus absolute value of y minus 1 less than or equal 1. Okay, if we consider this, if we change, for example, xy to minus xy minus x minus y or x and negative y in all quadrants, we will reach same result. So we can only consider this in first quadrant and then at the end multiply by 4 because we will have same figure, similar figure in other quadrants. So we can consider x and y are at least 0. So it will be what x my absolute value of absolute value of x will be x. So absolute value of x minus 1 plus absolute value of y minus 1 is less than or equal 1. First, let me tell you absolute value of x plus absolute value of y less than or equal 1 is what? If you want to draw this, you will see that if you can consider 4 cases again. For example, if we consider x and y greater than or equal 0, if here, we want to consider this part first. If x and y greater than or equal 0, in this problem, it is a different thing, idea 1. Okay, this graph will be what? If x and y greater than or equal 0, so it will be x plus y, at most 1. So it will be this part. 1, 2, 1. And now, because again, if you change xy to negative xy or negative x negative y or x negative y, we can consider first quadrant and we have 4 similar things. Negative 1, negative 1. Okay, so it will be a square with what length? The side is root 2. The center is 0, 0. Now here, x minus 1 by minus 1. Okay, so the center instead of 0 will be what? Will be 1, 1. Okay, you should shift this one unit to right, 1 unit to up. Now it will be what? It will be this graph. If I draw something like this. Okay. So again, it will be a square with side length root 2, and the area here is what? Root 2, root 2. The area will be root 2 times root 2, which will be 2. Now we have similar things you can draw. You can draw here. We have similar thing. And you can also check for other quadrant. We have same thing. 2, 2 here, also 2, 2. So the answer, as I said in the beginning of the solution, is 4 times 2 equals 8. And we saw before AMC exam, we saw some problems related to drawing diagram like this. And all of them, in all of these problems, you should draw, consider quadrants, and solve problem like this. So the answer will be choice B.